From turning water into wine to feeding thousands with a few loaves, Jesus' miracles were not merely a display of power for the sake of display, but it is a revelation of his divine nature, of care, of compassion, and commitment. Jesus is interested in your well being. Dearly beloved, do you know that? He is able to birth His goodness in your life. No matter what you are going through, no matter how challenging your situation is, He is able to birth a miracle for you and transform your situation completely.